Welcome to our unboxing and first look at the Soulaca webOS Mirror TV. This innovative piece of technology combines the elegance of a mirror with the functionality of a smart TV, making it a perfect addition to any modern home. Let's dive in and see what this exciting product has to offer. The Soulaca webOS Mirror TV arrives in a sleek, well-protected box that highlights its premium quality. Upon opening, you'll find the TV securely cushioned with foam inserts to prevent any damage during transit. The contents of the box include: the Soulaca webOS Mirror TV arrives in a sleek, well-protected box that highlights its premium quality. Upon opening, you'll find the TV securely cushioned with foam inserts to prevent any damage during transit. The contents of the box include: first impressions, the TV itself is stunning right out of the box. Its mirror finish is flawless to any space, the build quality is solid, and the sleek, minimalist design ensures it will blend seamlessly into your decor when not in use. Setting up the Soulaca webOS Mirror TV is straightforward. The included wall mounting bracket makes installation a breeze, and the user manual provides clear, step-by-step instructions. Once mounted, the TV sits flush against the wall, doubling as a stylish mirror. The Soulaca webOS Mirror TV is an impressive blend of style and technology. Its mirror finish, combined with the powerful webOS platform, makes it a versatile and luxurious addition to any home.